Hey there, everyone. Hope everyone's had a good end to the week. Well, today was again a blessed Friday as far as forex trading goes. Again, we had some great movement in the big pairs. All pairs, to be honest, really nice movement. Euro dollar, again, it's one of the most more popular pairs you can see up here. Euro performed a comeback. I mean, it was expected with the way the bull was in control on euro yesterday, and on pound as well for most of the day. That today would analysts were expecting a big bear move and dollar strengthening against dollar, euro, and pound in the first half of the day, and that's what happened. I mean, it moved about 100 pips from where it was at about around the 11925 mark, just above that, and from there it came all the way down to about 119,125. So that's, you can see that that's about 90 pips in there, 90 or 80. Yeah, no, yeah, yeah. About, oh, exactly 80 pips. Is that 80? Hope I'm getting my thing right. 9925, 1119125. Yeah, looks like 80 pips. But that's massive movement, guys. Yeah, that was done all the way between, wow, I think it was around, so you could say about 1:30 in the morning to about 10 in the morning, 11 in the morning is where 10:30 in the morning it hit. That 80 pips there to be made, and then to be honest, after that it started to recover. Again, I mean, I made about 57 pips, kind of mixture of pound dollar and dollar CAD, uh, mainly performing. I mean, pound yen had a nice trade, going 14, 15 pips in thing, and to be honest, I should have been a bit more brave, as they say. I mean, to be honest, I had this whole movement you see up here, bearish. I could have had a big chunk of it. It's just that I had put it to break even once it had hit 14 pips. It's my own principle. But after that, you can see what a lovely movement there was. I mean, you're talking about, again, it was crazy. I mean, I'm talking about, again, 70 pips, 70, 80 pips that it moved down from where it was. Uh, but it is what it is, I guess. But I mean, you can see again, is a similar pattern to how, again, pound yen made a comeback through the later part of the day, massive comeback. By the time about this was about 7 o'clock, 7:30. You can see dates up here, part times up here. So pound yen made a great comeback. Pound dollar was a similar story. Again, you can see a V up, W up here, this formation. Again, this is something that the analyst, who's a London Forex Trade Show winner, who's there Monday to Friday, explains this to us very nicely about how to look for a reversal entry. And amazing. I mean, you can see the patterns all over, and then this is where you make your pips. Um, again later part of the day, Friday, you get a bit scared about trade. But I saw this happening, and I thought, this, why am I missing out on this? But it's a lot of a psychological game, guys. This is what it's about. It's the help is all there. If you are a mentally tough person, if you're someone who's disciplined and is happy to learn, honestly, you can really do well at this. You can see massive movements. I mean, you talk about results here that you can see the analyst showing you exactly where to look for an entry for a long, where to look for an entry for a short. Pound dollar looks like, from here you can see, consider banking some pips, boom, adjusting stop losses, and you can see fantastic, fantastic kind of like recovery up here, like literally again there you can see massive movements of pips. I mean, pound dollar just moved crazy. I mean, all of this you see up here, you can see about 30 pips per fib channel, 30, 60, 90, 100, 120, from where it's basically ended up. I mean, we actually ended up lower than that, so you can see about 130 pips in here. It's an amazing amount of movement down, bullish, bearish day on pound dollar, but then it was a fantastic recovery at the end of the day for about 60, 70 pips on bulls. So again, results are all here, guys. Analysis, you can see throughout the day, boom, what is expected of the movement, where is it gonna go above, breakout trade opportunity, look down, and it just performed to the analysis. Um, so guys, get in touch. Okay, it's gonna be a simple message. The place to go is www.forexeasytrades.com www.forexitytrades.com. Get in touch. If you have any questions, look, if you are an experienced trader but need funds or have a portfolio, you're welcome. Funds can be provided. If you're someone who's just starting up, you need support, guidance on how to get going, how to learn a life skill that can, you know, serve you in any part of the world. That's the beauty of this. In any part of the world, this skill will serve you. All you need is discipline. Get in touch, learn, and if you can create a portfolio of winning trades, winning mentality, then the funds are there. Um, it's all overboard, all documented, guys. So get in touch, all right, and see what can be done um, by getting involved. All right, get in touch, PM me, or just go to the website and leave a message. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.